once in a while a star shines, so bright that it illuminates an entire galaxy, drawing around it a host of planets and satellites. We can honestly say that Dr. Bhaskar Rao is one such star, a man who has excelled in every sphere of his life while illuminating the lives of others. Spearheading the formation of KIMS hospitals has been for Dr. Bhaskar Rao not merely the realization of a lifelong dream, but also the realization of the dream of many people who have benefited from world-class treatment and the best facilities, not to mention specialist treatment. Like the true star that he is, Dr. Bhaskar Rao has been a shining example of the right work ethic, proving his dedication to his chosen cause both day and night. Like a star, he seems never to rest, rising before dawn and making do with the minimum sleep. For him, the tending of his galaxy is of utmost importance, and he works tirelessly to maintain the #1 status that KIMS Hospitals enjoys. Dr. Bhaskar Rao is a multi-dimensional person, and his passion for healing lives has manifested itself in different ways, like the multi-speciality services offered by KIMS and his own tireless commitment.
జనవరి 1 నాడు న్యూ ఇయర్ అనేది స్టార్ట్ అవుతుంది. మన డాక్టర్ భాస్కర్ది కూడా హిస్ బర్త్డే స్టార్ట్స్ ఆన్ దట్ సేమ్ డే. ఏ రేర్ కోఇన్సిడెన్స్. పల్లెల్లో పుట్టాం, పల్లెల్లో పెరిగాం, పల్లెల్లో చదువుకున్నాం. కానీ ఆ రోజుల్లో ఈ విధంగా ప్రొఫెషనల్ కోర్సులో మేమందరం కూడా ఉంటామని కూడా మేము ఊహించలేదు. నేను ఇంజనీర్ అయ్యాను. తర్వాత నెక్స్ట్ బ్రదర్ని డాక్టర్ చేర్పిద్దాం అనుకుంటే దానికి కావాల్సిన మార్కులు రాని దానివల్ల అగ్రికల్చర్ బీఎస్సీ చేర్పించాం. అందుకని భాస్కర్ని మెడిసిన్ చేర్పిస్తే బాగుంటుందని మెడిసిన్ సిటీ ట్రై చేసాం. ఎంట్రన్స్లో రాలేదు. తర్వాత కాకినాడలో ఆ రోజు ఎంట్రన్స్ కోర్స్ అనేది ఉండేది. సెకండ్ ఇయర్ బీఎస్సీ చేసేటప్పుడు ఎంట్రన్స్ రాస్తే అప్పుడు సీట్ రావడం జరిగింది. ఆ విధంగా డాక్టర్ అయ్యాడు. ప్రముఖ డాక్టర్ కావాలి అనేటువంటి ఒక కోరిక అనేది ఉండేది. మంచి సర్జన్ కావాలని హార్ట్ ఆపరేషన్స్లో అయితే చాలా బాగుంటుందని ఆ రోజుల్లో ఉన్న కోరికలు అవి నెరవేరింది. అది హాస్పిటల్ ఒకటి కట్టాలి అనేటువంటి ఒక యాంబిషన్లో ఉండేవాడు. ఆ రోజుల్లో హాస్పిటల్ కట్టడం అంటే చాలా డబ్బుతో కూడుకున్నటువంటి విషయం. సరే సైట్ ఉంది చూద్దామని అనే ఉద్దేశం మీద అనుకుంటా ఉన్నాం. ఈ లోపలే నెల్లూరులో మన సొంత జిల్లాలో అక్కడ స్టార్ట్ చేశాడు. అక్కడ చేసిన తర్వాత కొద్దిగా మంచి పేరు అనేది కూడా సంపాదించుకున్నాను హాస్పిటల్లో. తర్వాత ఇక్కడ హైదరాబాద్లో కూడా హాస్పిటల్ స్టార్ట్ చేయాలని చాలా తపన పడ్డాడు. కిమ్స్ అనేది స్టార్ట్ చేయడం జరిగింది. టాలెంట్స్ ఉంది కాబట్టి డాక్టర్స్ తీసుకురావడం చేయడం ఇవన్నీ కూడా టాలెంట్ ఉంది కాబట్టి యూజ్డ్ ఈజ్ టాలెంట్ అండ్ మేడ్ ద హాస్పిటల్ టు గ్రో. బేసిక్గా డాక్టర్ అయిన దానివల్ల దాంట్లో ఉన్నటువంటి లోతుపాట్లు కూడా తెలుసు. మంచి ఇన్ఫ్రాస్ట్రక్చర్ అనేది కానీ కట్టి మంచి ఎక్విప్మెంట్ కానీ ఉంటే మంచి డాక్టర్లు కూడా వస్తారనే ఉద్దేశం మీద ఇన్ఫ్రాస్ట్రక్చర్ అంతా కూడా బాగా క్రియేట్ చేసాం. దాన్ని సీఈఓగా తర్వాత మేనేజింగ్ డైరెక్టర్గా మనం ఫర్దర్గా ఎక్స్పాన్షన్ కూడా పోవడం జరిగింది. ఈ బర్త్డే ఇప్పుడు ఫస్ట్ ఈ బర్త్డే అంటే ఇది బహుశా 58 బర్త్డే అనుకుంటాను. కానీ ఇన్ని సంవత్సరాలు ఉన్నాయని అనుకుంటే కొద్దిగా ఆశ్చర్యంగా ఉంటుంది. ఇంత వయసు వచ్చిందని ఇప్పటికీ మన దృష్టిలో చిన్న పిల్లవాళ్ళు మారిగానే అలాగే ఉంది. కానీ ఇంత వయసు వచ్చిందా, ఇన్ని బర్త్డేలు చేసుకున్నారా అని దాన్ని చూస్తే ఆశ్చర్యం అవుతుంది. చిన్నప్పుడు చదువుకోవాలి, పైకి రావాలనేటువంటి తపంతో చాలా తమ్మతో ఉండేవాడిని. చెప్పేవాడిని టీచర్ మారిగా ఎస్ఎస్ఎల్సీ అయిన తర్వాత పీయూసీలు పోయే ముందర కూడా మనం టీచింగ్ చేసేవాడిని. అంటే ఇక్కడ మళ్ళీ చదువుకోకపోతే భవిష్యత్తు ఎలా ఉంటుందనే ఉద్దేశం మీద. సో సక్సెస్ రేట్లో ఉన్నాం, సక్సెస్ అనేది చూస్తున్నాం. ఇన్ ఫ్యూచర్ దెర్ మే బి లాట్ ఆఫ్ సక్సెసెస్. ఐ విష్ హిమ్ ఏ హ్యాపీ అండ్ ప్రాస్పరస్ బర్త్డే అండ్ మెనీ రిటర్న్స్ ఆఫ్ ద డే.
Childhood he was very naughty, but he was not bothered about his studies and all. We were together while high school studies, and I used to shout at him. Even during studies he was not bothered about his studies, and somehow he got through the 10th and then intermediate, and then he joined first BSc. We tried because my elder brother ambition is to make him as a doctor. Took a decision, just somehow he wants to pay the donation and get the seat, and then by paying 10,000 rupees in those days donation, he arranged a seat in Kakinada Medical College, and so somehow he could complete his MBBS as per the schedule. He was searching for going for MS. During those days, just one of my relative, Mr. Madar Janikram, who is known to the CM of AP, Mr. Bhavana Venkatram Garu, and there was a quota for medical seat, interstate quota, and we approached Madar Janikram to take us to the CM, and they went and approached us. They took us. After 3-4 days we got a phone call from Bhavanam Jayaprad Garu through Madar Janikram that there was a proposal for their second daughter. So like that it happened. Then within a month the marriage was arranged, and it was done. That is another milestone in his life. He got the admission in Madras Medical College. Then he went for super specialty in Raivelu, and he was working there. From there he went to Australia, and then he came back. So like that, his career is very good. He started working in NIMS hospital. Then at later date he joined with Medway. The main thing I can proudly say, he is very good at heart. His determination is excellent. I can say whatever he wants to do, he will do. So that way he has got very good entrepreneurship in running the hospitals. I can proudly, I am so happy that he is being a younger brother of mine, and who is very successful in the hospital profession.
మామూడూరు అయితే ఫస్ట్ ఫారంలో ఈ బుచ్చిరెడ్డిపాలెం DLNRZP హై స్కూల్లో చేరాడు. DLNRZP హై స్కూల్లో 1400 మంది పిల్లలు, 40 మంది స్టాఫ్. వాటిలో ఈయన ఫస్ట్ ఫారంలో చేరాడు. ఫస్ట్ వారంలో చేరి నేను మొదలుకొని అన్నీ అంటే క్లాసు పరీక్షలు కానీ, క్వార్టర్లీ కానీ, హాఫ్ ఇయర్లీ కానీ, అన్నిట్లో కూడా యాన్యువల్ కానీ ఫస్ట్ మార్క్స్ వచ్చేటటువంటి వాడు. అందులో పొదుపును పాటించేవాడు. ఎవరైనా డబ్బు ఇచ్చినా కూడా వాళ్ళ బంధువులు కానీ, తల్లి కానీ, తండ్రి కానీ ఎవరైనా సరే అది ఎక్కువ ఖర్చు పెట్టేటటువంటి వాడు కాదు. దాన్ని మితంగా వాడుకునేటటువంటి వాడు. అందులో ఎక్కువ క్రమశిక్షణ కలిగినటువంటి వాడు. పుస్తకాలు కానీ, బుక్స్ పెట్టడంలో క్రమశిక్షణ, అంటే దుస్తులు కూడా, అంటే గుడ్డలు పెట్టుకోవడంలో కూడా క్రమశిక్షణగా ఉండేటటువంటి వాడు. అందులో అతనికి మా అవార్డ్స్ వచ్చాయి. అవార్డ్స్ అంటే మొత్తం స్కూల్ మీదట ఎవరికైతే మార్కులు ఎక్కువ వస్తాయో వాళ్ళకి గవర్నమెంట్ స్కాలర్షిప్ ఇస్తుంది. అటువంటి స్కాలర్షిప్ కూడా పొందాడు ఎవరు ఆయన. ఈ విధంగా ఒక నాట్ ఓన్లీ ఫస్ట్ వారం, సెకండ్ ఫారంలో కానీ, థర్డ్ ఫారంలో కానీ ఈ విధంగానే మార్కులు వస్తూ అన్ని అవార్డ్స్ సంపాదించాడు. తరగతి గదిలో చాలా సింపుల్గా ఉండేవాడు, ఒకరిని దూషించేవాడు కాదు, అమిత వినయ విధేయతలు. అందులో బ్రిలియంట్ స్టూడెంటు, ఇంటెలిజెంట్ కూడా, అంటే బ్రిలియంట్ ఇంకా ఎక్కువ అన్నమాట. అటువంటి స్టూడెంట్ అన్నమాట. ముచ్చిరెడ్డిపాలెంలో నేను ఉంటున్నా. నేను 36 years పనిచేశాను ఇది హై స్కూళ్ళల్లో. అందులో బుచ్చిలోనే 16 సంవత్సరాలు పనిచేశాను. చాలా మంచి బ్రిలియంట్ స్టూడెంట్. ఏలాంటి తగాదాలు కానీ, తంటాలు కానీ ఏమీ లేదు అతనికి ఏమిటంటే తన చదువు తాను అంతే. ఏదన్నా శనివారం ఆదివారం వస్తే మామిడూరు పోయేవాడు. మామిడూరు పోయి వెంటనే మళ్ళీ స్కూల్కి వచ్చేది. ఆర్థిక పరిస్థితి బాగా రాకపోయినా ఈ వీళ్ళని మాత్రం వైనంగా వాళ్ళ తల్లిగారు బాగా చదివిస్తూ వచ్చారు. ఆర్థిక పరిస్థితిని బట్టి కాదు చదువు, వాళ్ళంతటా వాళ్ళే అది వస్తూ వచ్చారు.
Dr. Shantaram, retired Dean of the Nizam Institute of Medical Sciences and Head of the Department of Medicine from the same institute. Regarding Dr. Bhaskar Rao, at the outset, I wish him many returns to the birthday. As his earlier teacher or one of the gurus in his life in 1980s, I remember, in Nizam Institute he joined us as a resident, and I found him very simple, very dignified and sincere, and above all a young individual who is motivated with the sentiment of serving the people in a better way than his previous generation, with a greater professionalism. So at that young age, his enthusiasm and the zeal for higher aspirations in medical profession impressed me. So we generally say Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat Parabrahma, Tasmai Sri Guruve Namah. But here is a situation where a Guru was appreciating a Shishya who has a better and a higher aspirations to serve the community, to serve the people with greater professionalism at a young age. Then I told him, whatever super specialization you do, you must be inspired by the thought that you should be serving your own country. I had the pleasure of attending his marriage, and subsequently I noticed him as one of the outstanding cardiothoracic surgeon, working in different places, Medwin, Andhra Mahila Sabha, Mahavir Hospital, and I came to know about the success in his academic and professional career. It was indeed a great pleasure for me. I really felt what man proposes, unless God endorses, he won't be successful. So in Bhaskar's life, later on, I found he has emerged as one of the leaders in medical care in South India, if not in the whole country. And he is the CEO and the MD of Krishna Institute of Medical Sciences. Recently had an opportunity to go to that institute, and he has taken me around entire newly added intensive care units, super specialty units, radiology unit. So then I thought a excellent surgeon has a very big heart to make entire hospital from A to Z excellent. Every specialty that has been conceptualized to be useful in that human care, starting from, let us say, cardiology, cardiothoracic, neurology, neurosurgery, orthopedics, gastroenterology, surgical gastroenterology, oncology, radiation oncology, medical oncology, dental surgery. Oh, everything is on one roof. Is something which really gave me a feeling that what he thought in 1980s as a resident when he was associated with me, his dream has been endorsed and realized by the grace of the God. And I think it's one of the achievements of a human birth to really realize your dream. But let me once again tell, he is young, he is growing younger, he has lots of energy, and I wish that he continues to multiply all his professional skills, administrative skills for noble task of human medical management, surgical management. Unless a man has got a soul power in him, such a big project as he has embarked upon cannot be realized so well and so fastly. I am sure the name Krishna symbolizes the power of the Lord Krishna, which is unfathomable and infinite. Incidentally, his brother's name is also Krishna, one of the politicians, very leading industrialist. I think he has been privileged to have a lovely brother and a good family, good partner and good children to enhance whatever professional success that he has made us witness as his teachers and guru. I once again pray God that he lives 100 years to many good achievements in next few decades, to make poor man and the rich man management alike. That's what he was mentioning last time when I saw him. I want all sections of the community should utilize my facility. So I have given good guidelines in my administration to be available to every part of the socio-economic classes. Not only the rich, but the haves and have-nots should be utilizing my professional services. I think that is one of the important aspects today, because a corporate hospital has a problem in trying to remain corporate, but it has also a sublime goal to make ordinary human population also have the benefit. I think this sort of a evolution of a human science, as our medical science is, should guide many more such institutes that are coming up in different parts of the world. And I am sure one day KIMS can be a big leader. It should be number one in the country with the spirit and soul power of Dr. Bhaskar.
With his credo, never show sympathy, always show empathy, Dr. Bhaskar Rao became the celebrated icon that many would follow. Even at KIMS, he ensured that the best treatment is made available to people from all walks of life, and that state-of-the-art Medicare is not just the privilege of a select few.
Hello sir, I don't know Bhaskar Rao garu too well, not for too long, but the short acquaintance I had with him, I can easily say that he's an exemplary person. I don't have much idea before a month ago, but since 1 month I've been seeing him, how he works and everything. He's an extraordinary guy. To list a few distinctive features about him, my father has like 5 blocks in his heart, and he had quite a few uncertain, unimaginable issues rising up every single time, every single day after the surgery or before the surgery. But with the ease and precision and thoughtfulness that Dr. Bhaskar Rao garu took care of him, it shows his excellence in his profession and his dedication towards his patients. Not just a doctor, but he's a very good, talented entrepreneur. I've seen him walking the floors of the hospital just like any ordinary person, any ordinary employee, but he looks into every minute detail that is there, and he makes sure that the hospital runs very, very smoothly. It's also a good thing to say that he is the soul of KIMS. KIMS is him, he is KIMS. Many words, adjectives like incredible, brilliant, friendly, extraordinary. He takes all these words to a whole new level. He's just a person himself. Bhaskar Rao garu is, as I said, the extraordinary person one can ever have. So I wish him a very, very happy birthday, and I hope his time stands still, and he grows only even more wiser by the days to come, but not older, and he continues to boost thousands and thousands of hearts more in the many, many years to come. Wish you a happy birthday, sir.
Today, we applaud this great personality, a doctor who has led by example, a friend who has made time for others despite his busy schedule.
Good evening. Many happy returns of the day. Devi Garu called me 2 days ago that they are going to arrange surprise birthday party to you, and I'm really happy, Baba. So let me tell you about Bhaskar Garu and my friendship. I know him more than 42 years. Since then, he hasn't changed single bit. Same Bhaskar, same affection, same lovely face, concerned person. Very good human being. I cannot tell in words. He's a superb human being. And Baba, he got 3 gifts. One is given by God, that is manchitanamu to you. Manchitanam. Bhaskar Rao garu manchitanam ichchadi. The 2 things he earned. The end, number 1 is Raji. Manchi అభిమానంతురాలైన వైఫ్ని తెచ్చుకున్నావు. Secondly, 2 wonderful kids. Wonderful kids. What else you need, Baba? And I wish you all the best, and I hope I am there on this occasion, and you are there to help all the people, rich to poor. Wonderful human being. May God bless you with good health. Thank you, and wish you happy New Year.
Extremely happy to say a few words regarding Dr. Bhaskar Rao. The first time I met Dr. Bhaskar Rao was in Apollo in 1986 when I wanted to visit Apollo Hospital as the director of Nizam's Institute of Medical Sciences. As soon as I saw him, I saw some potential in him, so I offered him to come to Nizam's Institute, and he obliged. But in Nizam's Institute, due to several causes, he couldn't stay for long, and then I took him to Medwin along with me when I was the chairman of Medwin Hospital, Hyderabad. There also he has shined. In fact, one of my close relatives, at the age of 84, he has operated and has done a bypass surgery, and everybody was congratulating me for having chosen him as the cardiac surgeon. Besides that, he comes from a good family, not a rich family, not an academic family, but a background of hard-working people. All his brothers are very hard-working and sincere. That he has imbibed that quality and have started as a seed, a small seed, this KIMS Hospital. KIMS Hospital for the last 8 years has grown enormously and has reached the international standards in healthcare. Only thing is, sometimes he asks me how I managed the personnel, the doctors at Nizam's Institute, because it's hard to manage super doctors who specialize super specialty to manage their super ego. But then he has got the tact, the talent, the emotional quotient to manage them and bring them, their potential to the maximum, giving them the luxurious atmosphere and advanced technology. I wish him a long life, that too a purposeful life. He has got a lovely wife and 2 nice children. January 1st happens to be his birthday. That's a remarkable date for a remarkable person. I am sure year after year his efforts will be fruitful and he will get name and fame in the society.
In my long and cherished association with Dr. Bhaskar Rao, I recollect certain things which I would like to narrate. The birthday of Dr. Bhaskar Rao coincides with the New Year, and as such our pleasure is doubled and tripled on this occasion. A hospital earns the name because of the doctors. The doctors get the fame because of the hospital. The hospital is considered good because of the doctors. The doctors become big because of the hospital. Each one is the key for the success of others, and Dr. Bhaskar Rao is the biggest success for KIMS Hospital. He is always humble, smart, smiling and chatty, and this makes others feel that Bhaskar Rao is Bhaskar Rao for the qualities of his head and heart. I remember what Kalam has stated, that if you want to leave footprints on the sands of time, don't drag the feet. Dr. Bhaskar Rao believes in that, and he never drags his feet. He puts his foot firmly and started these institutions and is taking them to a grand success. I personally feel that he is a positive thinker who focuses mostly on solutions rather than problems, and that gives him tremendous bliss and happiness. It always comes to my mind a question put to a philosopher asking him to define, "Sir, what is today?" He just paused for a while, and the great philosopher said, "Today, this is an opportunity for you to work better than what you did yesterday." It aptly applies to Dr. Bhaskar Rao, as he does always better than the previous day. I remember, I would like to recollect 4 cases. One, a man has got three stages in life. One is the teenage, second, the working age, third, the old age. The teenage, Dr. Bhaskar Rao belongs to the blessed group of that working age now. In the teenage, you have got energy and time, no money. In the working age, you have got money and energy, no time. In the old age, you have got time and money, no energy. With his abundant energy at his disposal and resources, he is able to start and take the present institutions to a dizzy height. That credit goes to him. The second thing is, patience and silence are wonderful energies to any individual. Patience makes one mentally strong, and silence makes one emotionally strong. And I find God has blessed him with enough patience and silence. Third thing, I remember an old saying, an African saying, if you want to walk quickly, walk alone. If you want to walk far, walk together. Dr. Rao believes in this principle, and he is able to build up his institutions on his walking far by taking number of people together. That is a great trait I could see in him. One thing I always remember, an old saying that if you want to be beautiful, if you are beautiful, the credit is from your parents. If you want to make your life beautiful, the credit is for your parents. In this particular case, Dr. Bhaskar Rao is both beautiful and makes things beautiful, and his gift to the parents lies in presenting beautiful institutions he has built up, dedicating himself to the service of mankind. I would like to personally greet him on his birthday, which again synchronizes with the New Year Day, and wish him many happy returns of the day, and wish him all the best in 2013, and pray God to bless him to grow taller and taller in the service of humanity.
Dr. Bhaskar Rao, we wish you many more fruitful years as you continue to pursue your dream to make KIMS one of the most well-known and widespread medical facilities in the world.